Trust me, maya-maya hindi mo mamamalayan. My gosh, December na at kailangan mo na agad mag-holiday shopping para hindi ka makipagsiksikan sa grocery store. My gosh, kailangan kong sabihin yan sa sarili ko dahil tinuturo ko sa inyo pero ako ang number 1 na nakikipagsiksikan sa grocery store pagdating ng December. But anyway, I'm sure madami sa inyo nag-iisip ng masarap na iserve for Noche Buena or Medianoche or during Christmas Day. Let's cook one of my favorites. This is beef pot roast. But bago mo ikat, ano ba yung pot roast na yan? Kasi di ba roast beef, medyo mahal kasi you need to buy a big cut of meat and kailangan good quality meat. Ito naman, sa medyo budget-friendly na panghanda, pero gusto mong bongga pa din, ang gagamitin natin is only beef brisket. So let's cook this beef pot roast. How easy is this? So meron ako ditong, this is just beef brisket. Pwede ka din gumamit ng kimchi if you want. Ayan, just cut it mga ganyang size. Okay na yan. Pwede mo pa actually hatiin ng mas maliit yan kung nalalakihan ka. Up to this size, pwede. Kasi syempre, the smaller the cut of the meat, mas mabilis lalambot. Ayan o. Okay na yung ganyang size. Okay, di ba? This is brisket na nasa freezer. Alam mo yon, di ba? Minsan, bigla ang bisita, ngayong holiday season, meron kang magigisa-gisa, meron kang maluluto. And you just put the rest of the ingredients. I have here soy sauce, water. This is just water. Teka, yung aking red wine, inilayo sa akin. And I just have here red wine. Trust me, you don't want to use expensive red wine. Gamitin mo lang kung ano yung meron ka dyang natitira. Pero ako po, Diyos ko, you don't have to use expensive. Feeling ko, mahal tong nabuksan kong red wine. Pero kasi, recently, tinigil ko ang pag-inom ng wine. May special diet kasi kung sinusunod. Ayan, buhos mo na lang lahat dyan. Pero mamaya, kailangan pa nating magdagdag ng konti. So, magbubukas pa ako ng isa. And, onions, minced garlic. This is just bay leaves, laurel, thyme para lasang sosyal. Just put some salt and pepper. Just a bit. And then takpan mo lang. Bring it to a simmer. You're going to braise this. Papalambutin natin ito for around 1.5 hours. Pagka medyo napansin mong natutuyot, buhusan mo lang ng more red wine. Pag medyo malambot-lambot na yan, lalagyan na natin ng dried mushrooms. You can also use fresh. Okay? So, iwan muna natin dito. And syempre, I'm using my Chef RV all-purpose pot para maganda ang pagpapalambot natin and pwedeng ito na din ang gamitin mong pang-serve, di ba? Para menos hugasin this coming holiday season. So palambutin natin to and balikan natin. Okay, so ayan, pag medyo malambot na yung beef, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating dried mushrooms and you just continue simmering it until fork tender yung ating beef. Kung medyo matutuyuan, feel free to add more wine. Okay? So ito, makikita mo, medyo natutuyo na pero malambot na din naman yung aking beef. Okay, almost tender. I'll give it 5 to 10 more minutes para super fork tender. And basta natutuyuan, magbuhos ka lang ng wine. Kaya nga, very important, huwag ka namang gumamit ng sobrang mahal na wine. Okay, yung sapat lang. Okay, let's continue simmering this para talagang very fork tender. And yung patatas, nagpakulo na ako ng potatoes kanina pa. Mukhang malambot na siya. So I can prepare now my mashed potatoes. Papatayin ko na yung apoy. Pero over here, tutunawin ko na yung butter and some cream. So I have here some butter. Lagay mo lang dyan. And your heavy cream. I might need to add more heavy cream kasi medyo pinabalatan ko na lahat ng patatas na natanaw ko kanina. Diba parang hindi sayang ang effort ng pagluluto. Dear, pengi pang ang heavy cream. Okay, so you just melt this. I-simmer mo lang ng konti. I-season mo na din to ng salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. You can use white pepper if you want, pero sa akin okay lang na black pepper kahit sa mashed potato. And then, itong aking patatas, ililipat ko na sa mixer. You can also use a potato masher. Pero 'di ba, kung medyo malaki-laking batch ang ipre-prepare mo, pwede mong i-mixer. I'm also going to put truffle oil later para truffled mashed potatoes. Huwag mong palalamigin yan ha. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Ibibit mo na habang mainit yung patatas. Okay, low speed first. Okay, so now, ibuhos mo lang tong butter, cream with salt and pepper mo. Gently lang. Slowly. Okay, nice. I'm going to save some. Hahaluin ko muna to see kung magbubuhos pa ako. Ayan, bubuhusan ko pa. Bubuhos ko na lahat yun. O, diba? Mas madali pagka ginamitan mo ng mixer. Kung wala ka pang mixer, what to do? Papanood mo na sa asawa mo tong video na mas madali mag-mix ng mashed potato using a mixer. Kahit hand mixer, carry yan. Actually, pwede din sa food processor, but I wouldn't recommend kasi parang mas masalimuot pa maghugas ng food processor. I'm going to put a splash of truffle oil just to give it that nice truffle aroma. And a little bit of sugar to give it balance. Naamoy ko na yung truffle oil. Whip it. Okay lang na yung mashed potato mo medyo runny kasi habang lalamig yan, magseset yan. Perfect. Balikan natin to. Tender na. Malambot na. And ang sarap ng lasa ng beef. Actually, ito na mismo, pwede mo nang kainin to, pero mas pabonggahin natin. Tanggalin natin ang laurel. Let's remove the laurel. Alam ko, 3 piraso yung nilagay ko. Tapos, using the lid of my all-purpose pot, tatanggalin mo yung beef. Aalisin natin tong beef and yung mushroom. Kasi gagawin na natin yung pinaka pot roast sauce. Okay, and then on the same pot, lagyan mo ng butter. This is just butter. Mahilig ako sa butter. Ayan, sa mga 1/4 cup and flour. This is like a roux. You're mixing the butter with the flour and you're cooking it. And then we're going to pour some cream. This is heavy cream. You can put more wine or beef stock kung gusto mong mas maraming sauce. Okay, I'll put a little bit more red wine. And dagdagan ko pa ng cream. So now, tikman mo if you need to season it. Lasang sosyal. A little bit more of salt. And I'll also put soy sauce para yung color is maging deep brown. Just a splash of soy sauce. Just a splash. Okay. And then, ibalik mo yung iyong beef. Hinaan mo na yung apoy. Bakit ba ako nagpapakahirap dyan? May sandok akong malaki. Diyos ko. Okay, o diba? So this is your easy pot roast. And if you're using the all-purpose pot, lahat na dito mo na gagawin. May laurel pa. Look how bongga is this, oh. And yung lasa nito, trust me, this is as good as your, or almost as good. Pero kasi syempre, iba pa din talaga yung roast beef na buo. This is almost as good as your traditional roast beef. Now, the next step na gagawin mo is, pagpahingahin mo to saglit. You want the beef, you want the sauce to coat the beef. And mahigop ng konti para maging moist and juicy lalo yung iyong beef. So I'm going to cover this. Di ba parang pagka nagro-roast beef ka, nagsa-steak ka, kailangan ipahinga mo ng saglit. So I'm going to cover this. I'm going to turn off the flame. And pagpahingahin mo lang saglit. Itatabi ko yan dito. And habang pinagpapahinga to, magluto tayo ng para bang sauteed tomatoes lang pang garnish on the side. So to make the roasted garlic, ito air fryer lang tayo. This is a shortcut method. Hiniwa ko lang yan. O dapat pala pinakita ko. Teka. Ayan, hiniwa lang sa gitna ang bawang. Ipila mo sa air fryer. Pwede ding sa oven. Put some olive oil and then air fry mo lang. 10 minutes. Actually, nagbago yung isip ko. Isasama ko na din dito yung kamatis para hindi na ako maggigisa, di ba? Para hindi ka na maggigisa-gisa. Ito po ay kinakain din, so kailangan malasa. Put salt. So, i-plate na natin. Ito, meron ako ditong nag-roast ako ng garlic sa air fryer. Isang piraso lang. Let's put mashed potatoes. O, diba? Para medyo bongga ang pa-party mo. Pwede mo din namang ilagay ito sa buffet. I-buffet mo. This is my beef. This has been resting. And then, konting tomatoes. Para lang just to add color. Let's chop some parsley. Oh, diba? Isn't it bongga? So this is your beef pot roast. Super duper dali. Pwedeng-pwede mo din gamitan ng pressure cooker. Kung nagmamadali ka, di ba? Pressure cooker, 45 minutes, done na yan. Now, let's try this. Etong roasted garlic, ayan, kukunin mo yan dyan. O, ihahalo mo yan. Kinakain po yan. Hindi lang po yung pang-display. Di ba? Tikman muna natin yung beef mismo. Ang sarap. And malambot ha. Kahit sa totoo lang yung nakagat ko, medyo may gatil. And now with the mashed potatoes. So good. With the garlic. Yung garlic ko, 10 minutes siya sa air fryer. Pwede mo pang dagdagan para mas lumambot yung bawang, mga 20 minutes. Mas better yun now with the mushrooms. So good. The red wine really added that lasang sosyal. Yung para bang yung dish ay tinuro sa'yo ng biyanan mong nasa France. Charot. Diba? Ang sarap. So, don't skip the red wine. Kung talagang bawal, you can use beef stock. So, just water. Nalagyan mo ng beef powder or beef broth cube. Pero kung pwede naman, lagyan mo ng red wine kasi super duper sarap. So, kahit hindi pa Christmas, gumawa ka na nitong pot roast. Don't forget to tag me. I'm going to see you all soon.